Hi, and I welcome you all for the session 4 in Unit 1 of Understanding of Vector-Based Program. Let us see the topic which we are going to cover in this session. Today we will discuss about uses of vector-based program. It means by using a vector-based drawing program, what and all we can create and we can do it. Later, finally, we will discuss about multiple choice questions. Now we will understand the concept one by one. By using a vector-based programs, we can create logos, we can create stylized photo, scalable artwork, traced images, natural images, complex images, drawing, and finally page layout. Let us see about logos. Logos need to be highly scalable, portable, and consisting all of PostScript artwork provides or processing. Now, we will create a logo and we will check whether scalable, after scalable, it may lose or the resolution or quality of the image. Let us start the program Adobe Illustrator to create a logo. Go to Start menu and click on Adobe Illustrator. Depending upon the system RAM speed, the applications will open quickly or slowly. Let us wait until it opens. After it opens, click on Print Document or to select the paper size, and you can create it also, you can make it. Now I will do a text logo. Click on here. I will type S, then I will make the size around 60. Even I can use it still more. Then I will change the font to Arial. Then the font I will make it bold. Then I will duplicate the same font. After this, I will change the color of both. Then I will do red for the first one. Then I will make both of them outline. After creating this, I will make them using a Pathfinder trim. Okay, so still we can enlarge it so that we can easily see it. After trimming, ungroup it, and now you can see it has been cut. Okay, this is the one method to create. Another method, even you can create a complex image. Then you can change the color, then group it. Now if you see in 100% view also, it will not lose its resolution. After you can scalable, enlarge it at any size, it will not lose its resolution. Now this is the scalable and portable for PostScript. When you enlarge it also, it does not lose its resolution. It is preferable for PostScript. Then go to stylized type, PostScript drawing programs use the same language in which the fonts are written. This makes them perfect for editing and enhancing. One type I have already shown. After creating a text and make it as an outline and big size, and you can change the color. Similarly, without doing for anything also, you can change the particular character size, style and everything. See, I have changed the particular font and I have made it, and I will increase the still size also. Okay, this we can do it in a list of particular font type. It will type to do that one. For editing and enhancing the type also, even you can edit it after curve. After curving, you can edit a shape also. See, I am changing the shape of the image. I am changing. See, it has been changed. Okay, this is how we can do it. Next, scalable artwork. This I already shown. Creating the artwork, after that, whatever may be the size, you can enlarge it without loss of resolution or quality of the image. Even you can decrease it, compress it. You can call it as, you can reduce the size, make it a smaller size also. It will not lose its resolution. One of the advantages of scalable artwork in a vector-based program, it is made up of lines and drawing, so that we can enlarge at any size without loss its resolution, whereas pixel-based images, if you can enlarge it at certain limit, after the limit, if you enlarge it, once created in a certain size, you cannot enlarge more than a limit. Okay? Let us see the traced images. Even bitmap images can be traced by a vector-based graphic program which is suitable for PostScript. A bitmap, we can create it through Photoshop, or normally we will do it in a Photo Paint as provided from the Microsoft operating system. Let us, I will show you how to trace the bitmap images. I have already downloaded one images, so I will bring into the Illustrator. This is the bitmap image. After this, I will trace it, and I will make it. Okay, this is, it has been traced, and this is the original bitmap image, which are made up of pixels. So this is the difference. Let us start the natural images. Natural images are made up of pixels in a bitmap graphics. A single pixels can have different color, whereas in vector-based graphics, each area of a graphics can consist of different colors, as we need to separate the area. As we have already said, this is each pixel, so it looks a continuous, but whereas vector, to separate that, each area consists of different color to make the image. This is the difference. And next we will see the complex images. In Illustrator, we can create both as normal image as well as complex image. Normal images always made with very quickly and very fastly. Complex images can be created in Illustrator, but it takes more time, and as well as even the file size will also increase. See, this is the S and S overlapping is normal, but interlocking and creating of this both images is most complicated. To create that, it will take more time, but we can create it. Next, drawing. Normally, a vector-based graphic programs are called drawing programs, but they really are not good for free natural styles of artistic expression. Example, in a drawing program, we have a brush and other natural styles we are using that will not suitable, but we can create it. Then finally, we have a page layout. We can create a page layout for any brochures, visiting cards, or any designs. It available in all the new versions of Illustrator, which consisting of text, spell checker, tab setting, even tabular work also we can do it in a Illustrator program. Before going to the MCQ, I will show you the how to create the tab setting, even changing the keys and all those things in Illustrator. Okay. See, by clicking this, I will create a paragraph. See, I am typing. Now, I will set the tab for this tabular work. Shall I increase the, I will do it, I will show you like this. Go to Windows, click on type, click on tab. Now the tab setting has been opened. Adjust the page width and then click the first tab indent left and then at the end right. Sometimes if you want center also you can. This is the first line indent. If you type also it will change, and if you click it will go to the end. Similarly, you can make the paragraph or you can change it anything in the tab setting. Similarly, we can change font keys and all those things, uppercase, lowercase, and sometimes type orientation also we can change it, and if you miss spelling check also we can do it. This are all done in a page layouting software. Let us discuss the multiple choice question. A vector-based logos are highly scalable. Let us see the options one by one. True, false, none, possible, and none of the above. The clue for this question: raster-based images can create at a certain size. We cannot enlarge or scalable at infinity or at any other than the limit. We cannot increase the image. This is the clue for this question. Next, vector-based logos are highly scalable. Why? Raster-based are made up of pixels, so that it limits to the certain size. The clue of this question I have given. Next, the options are lines and drawing, pixel-based, raster-based, none of the above. Let us see the next question. Which type of images can be traced by a vector-based graphic programs? Normally, this is the clue for this question. It is made up of PhotoPaint or Photoshop. Now it is called 3D printing, painting. Usually come with the operating platform, Windows operating platform. These applications. Options are bitmap, JPEG, PNG, and none of the above. Next question. Vector programs types are perfect for dash type. Let us see the options. Editing, enhancing, JPEG, bitmap, none of the above. I already showed you creating Illustrator. You can say change the size, color, or anything, even the shape also you can change it. This option is available in vector-based, so that even I change the shape of that one. This is the clue for this question. Next, dash layout features are added to the Illustrator software. Let us see the options. First one is side, second one is margin, third one is pitch, or none of the above. Normally, if you create any image or anything, it consists of side, top margins and left margins and all those things. But whereas Illustrator software come with even layout along with the text manipulating features with tab setting and changing the size, and sometimes you can check the spell check and automatically you can do it. This is the clue for this question. Next question. In an Illustrator, complex images can be created, but it will take time. Dash. Options are less, quick, long, but none of the above. Clue for this question. Normally in an Illustrator, we can create normal images within a less time, and or we can call it as quick time to create, and even the file size is less. Next. Vector-based graphic works are also called as dash artwork. The clue for this: raster-based are made up of pixels, and it can support for some PostScript work. So, second option is raster, third option is both, and the last option is PostScript. Next, drawing programs are dash style of artistic expression. Options are pixels, free and natural, vector, and none of the above. The clue for this question, usually you can do it in a drawing any by hand. This is the clue for this question. And thank you all once again.